Mechanical rooster!
Oh, dear me.
Oh, dear you. I suppose the life of an anorexic duck doesn't amount to much in the broad scheme of things. But, Pig, I'm all I've got.
Why do you need me to do it?
I'm allergic to cats.
Oh.
They make me sneeze.
Don't worry. I won't wake the cat.
My life is in your hands. Oh, no. Take the string off your foot. Wait, let me put it a different way. Stop, turn around. No, the other way. Stop. Go outside now.
But you said you can't do without me.
I can. Trust me, I can.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're positive.
Go outside and stand guard.
Okay, good idea.
Oh, boy. What's something fun gonna do with yourself?
Guard against
Don't worry. Stick with me, and please, I beg you, not one more word.
Right. Don't stay flirty. Just hold your breath.